So hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you my slime. But first, before we get into the video, this is my first YouTube video, and I'm gonna put all my like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and everything in the description box below. So make sure to add me and follow me, and I will be following and adding back. So let's get into the video. So this is the first slime, and it's blue and stretchy and everything. And yeah, the next one is this fluffy one, and it's blue also. And the texture is stretchy and pokey. The next one is this pink one. It was a store-bought slime, but I made it jiggly and it's pink. And if you can't see it like the real color, it's just the bad quality of the lighting. And yeah. The next one is this silly sludge. I mixed the green one in it, and it's jiggly and everything. And yeah. The final last one is this orange one. This is what it looks like. It's pokey and stretchy. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching this YouTube video. I want you guys to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will be doing more videos. Just request them, or I would just come up with something on my own. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye for now.